So now that it is connected, go find the timeline that you want to add the integration to. Go to integrations and then find the Slybroadcast. Then we do toggle it on and then go to the cogwheel. Now you can have an option to send a voicemail drop welcoming the registrant to your event. Thank them for registering for your event. Give them more information, however that looks. I have a couple audios already, and then you would fill out the phone number that you would have it be sent from. That's what they would see. So that is where we'll go here, and then update. Now, that's all set for the on-reg. Now, if you want to do it on the timeline, let's go into the day of the event. And as we see, we have the event day right here. So we have a 5-minute tag being added here, and then we've got like 15 minutes before. There's a Twilio message that's going to go out once we have it set up. So let's also send out a ringless voicemail, and we're going to create the action. Let's do after, and what we want to do is do 7 minutes. Registrants, and we're going to give them another voicemail, a ringless voicemail, asking where they are, the event started, etc. So you can do the next voicemail, and then the from number again. And then hit create. So now, 7 minutes after, this voicemail will be sent out to all your registrants, reminding them to come in and join you on the call. Now, you can also do that for other events and everything like that. So if you had a multi-event and you had Encore 1, 2, or if this was a challenge, this was a 3-day challenge or a 5-day challenge, you can have separate voicemails for each one of those days around each one of those events, and you can be able to send them out. And that's how you would do it. Just rinse and repeat each action for each event. So if you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe and click the bell notification so you are alerted each time we upload new content to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day.